A special thank you to Vitallii and the team at West Coast Kia for letting me review the Kia EV9. The Kia EV9 has won 3 awards: 2024 North American Utility Vehicle of the Year, 2024 World Car of the Year. The front end of the Kia EV9 looks super futuristic up front with the two black accents, silver painted metal garnish down below. The front end looks super good, especially with the new Kia badging. The exterior color is known as Pebble Gray. Overall, the front end of the Kia EV9 looks so good. We're going to notice the chrome trim along the front as well. Here are the LED daytime running light. You can actually see the headlight reflection on the front from the daytime running lights, which I thought was pretty cool. Here is the headlights on. They are LED. You can still see the headlight reflection on the front as it did with the daytime running light. IIHS rates the headlight good depending on what trim you get. Here is the LED turn signal indicator, which looks fantastic on the Kia EV9. Here's a closer look at the LED turn signal indicator. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Kia EV9 front end design and how it overall looks up front. In my personal opinion, Kia did a really good job with the front end design and overall the whole entire vehicle. Here is the front in the Kia EV9. Here is where the washer fluid is located. With this being the front, you get plenty of cargo and storage space in the Kia EV9. You're looking at 19-inch wheels with aerodynamic covers. Moving on to the interior, let's check out what the interior has to offer. You have your door handle, power windows, power door locks, mirror controls, and door storage. The interior looks luxurious and premium. 8-way power adjustable front seats with 2-way lumbar support. They are heated and air-cooled front seats. Steering felt tight and responsive. You're looking at a 12.3-inch TFT supervision cluster to go through different settings. Press mode to toggle through different menus such as favorites, FM, AM, Sirius XM. Other technology is Kia Connect, which is equipped with the EV9. You have your phone, Apple CarPlay, voice memo, weather, and other various settings such as notification as well as owner's manual. You have to scan the QR code for the online manual. A non-digital owner's manual is available. The navigation system is very similar to the Kia Telluride and Kia Forte that I reviewed on the channel. So I'm typing in Richmond Center Mall. The navigation was very intuitive. And here you go. It has sent me the location on how to get there. Apple CarPlay in the Kia EV9, you don't need a cord to connect Apple CarPlay. To go in reverse, switch it to R. It'll beep letting you know you're in reverse with dynamic parking guidelines. Here is the HVAC controls. You have your USB connection down below. Here is the cup holder. Pretty decent cup holders. Here is your auto hold and hill descent. Here is the parking camera. Here is the center console with plenty of storage space. Here is the wireless charging pad. Here is the glove compartment. Here is the glove compartment with plenty of space as well. Moving on to the back of the Kia EV9, same black and gray interior as you'd get out front. The second row offers more legroom than the Tesla Model X. Alright, let's head inside and check out what the Kia EV9 has to offer for second row and third row passengers. Here is the back seat pocket, and legroom is pretty good back here. Here is the second row cup holders, is second row storage, and here is the passenger seat with controls to move it front and backwards. I thought that was pretty neat. The second row passengers can mess with the front passenger. There are in total 4 cup holders, including this one. Here is the second row panoramic sunroof and your HVAC controls. Moving on to the third row. To access the third row, simply press that button and the seat will slide forward. We're in the third row of the Kia EV9. There are in total 4 cup holders for the third row passengers. Legroom is pretty good back here. Here is the other third row cup holder. I really like the rear end styling of the Kia EV9 because it looks futuristic and you get LED taillights. The Kia EV9 comes standard with rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist and rear cross traffic collision warning, as well as parking distance warning, front and rear. Moving on to what the Kia EV9 has to offer for cargo and versatility. As you can see, with third row up, there's more cargo space behind the third row. This is the button to fold down the second row. To fold down the third row, simply pull on the strap and push down. As you can see, there is plenty of cargo space to haul anything you desire. To put the third row up, simply pull on the strap. There is more cargo, as you can see here. Here is the charger for the Kia EV9. This wraps up our car review on the Kia EV9. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.